Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be talking about the Ryobi P305 18-volt hot glue gun. Specs, information, weights, measurements. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. How is it going, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. Very much appreciated. So today we got the 18-volt hot glue gun. Product number is 1002-185-532 for US. Canada number is 1001-022-812, and the model number is Paul 305. So this is the 18-volt original, the first model of the 18-volt glue gun. I picked this up for my wife. We are gonna cut the package open. I'm sure my wife's gonna want to do videos on it as well. So we'll try not to tear up the packaging too much. Hopefully, if not at all. Now this states on the back, 18-volt hot glue gun, self-standing, 2-finger trigger for enhanced control, LED on-off indicator, light, 3.5 hours of runtime, robust design for heavy-duty gluing applications. Says down here, 18 volts, battery type, tool weight to 0.86 pounds, I would assume without a battery, tool only. Powered by a P305 18-volt 1 plus high-capacity lithium plus battery. I looked that up, and that's a 4 amp hour high-capacity battery, and it looks like it got replaced, to be honest, by this guy right here, which is the model P as in Paul 192-2 battery. So this is just the -2 means there's 2 batteries. Looks like the P308 got replaced by the P392, because when I search Ryobi P308 battery, nothing actually comes up that I can tell. P392-6, so it's 6 batteries for $350. What about this one right here? P397 is this guy. And it doesn't bring up a P308 at all. I did search P308 on here. Looks like the P308 might be this exact battery right here. Lithium plus 18 volt. So it looks like this is probably the P308. So the P308 is the black, gray, then black with the bright green on the stem. So that is a 4 amp hour lithium plus battery. So the batteries that I showed on here on Home Depot are the plus HP batteries. So this technically is an upgraded. So it says it will run 3.5 hours on the 4 amp hour lithium plus battery. I would assume that it would probably run about the same on the lithium plus HP batteries. Not too sure. These are 99 bucks for a single battery. A 2-pack you can get in promo sometimes for 99 bucks. You know, 6 of these particular batteries, these 192 batteries, are technically, for 6 of them it's 350, so they're not too bad. You can find deals on them. I don't have any of those batteries. I have the regular old style, just 18-volt lithium. This is a 4 amp hour, so maybe this will run 3.5 hours on this particular battery as well. Who knows? But let's get this open. Try not to destroy the packaging too much, because my wife said she wanted to do a couple videos on it as well. It's gonna be one of those packages probably. Let me grab a cutter, box cutter. Okay, try this side as well. Whew. Whoa, I knocked the camera over. Sorry, guys. Excuse my hand there. Okay, got that one. Okay. So at least I didn't destroy the packaging. At least I could put it back in the packaging if my wife wants to do a video on it. Or she can just do a video without it in the packaging. No big deal. So it does come with the glue gun. It stands on its own without a battery, which is pretty nice. You have in the bottom here, you got some glue sticks to get you started. There. So you got some glue sticks to get you started. If you fold the package open, you got the instructions down here in the bottom as well. So this comes with, looks like, 2 regular glue sticks. Comes with your operator's manual and your supplemental manual as well. It does not come with what looks like one of those green little tool pamphlets, but that's okay. Not a big deal at all. Put this aside, we're gonna weigh it. Weights and measurements and everything. So, it's not very heavy at all, in all honesty. Turn the scale on. See what it is just by itself. 13.6 ounces by itself. With this 4 amp hour battery, it's 2 pounds, 6.7 ounces. And let's just say, real quick, I grab one of the glue sticks it came with, just to put some, you know, get an idea of what it weighs with the glue stick. 2 pounds, 7.2 ounces with a glue stick. 2 pounds, 6.6 without. So it's not bad. So it doesn't weigh too much. If you're on, it's starting to warm up. Off. Your plunger, which I kind of like that it's got a 2-finger trigger. That's pretty nice. You can use whatever makes you comfortable. I would more than likely put my index finger on the side and use these 2 fingers for the trigger, but you can use one if you like, whatever is more comfortable for you. It's a nice, comfortable trigger. On the newer model, which is the 307, there's a newer version of this. This is the 305. There's a mini called the 306, which is this guy right here. This guy is the 306. It's got a little base, a little mini gun. That one's the 306, and then the 307 that just came out is this guy right here, but it's newer. It's got a high and a low, not just an on and off. And this housing right here is all gray on the back of the head. Well, I don't want to use, you know, I can always do a demonstration video in the future, but I don't want to use the glue sticks that are available. Oh, it looks like they provided three glue sticks. So I only showed two and just found the other one in the package, which is probably why the package wouldn't close the first time. So they do provide 3 glue sticks, which is nice. I bought these for my wife because she wanted glue guns, and I thought it would be way better idea to get, you know, glue guns that you can use on batteries that I could use on tools or something else, instead of buying just a generic glue gun off Amazon or something like that. So it's a nice little unit. You know, there isn't too much to talk about. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon. It's nicely balanced with this 4. The top is very light, so it's the battery that makes this heavy. But if I balance it from my finger, from the bottom of the trigger, it's not really that heavy. Kind of rotate that up a little bit. So it's not heavy at all. Bouncing it from my finger, you can tell that it's a little battery heavy, but I'm sure you can get several more than 3.5 hours if you use a bigger battery, like a 9 amp hour. They're stating a 4 amp hour, you'll get 3.5 hours, which that's a long time for a glue gun, to be honest. Who knows? Maybe I'll use it for something in the future. I don't normally use glue guns, but the newer model, the 307. It does come with different tips here also. It also comes with a drip tray that folds out from the bottom. So it's got other features. I picked these 2 glue guns up for my wife. You know, who knows, maybe in the future I'll need them for something. Or maybe I'm building something and, you know, hot glue will work amazing for what I'm working with. But it says 3 all-purpose glue sticks on the front included. And it says that it will work right here. It says it will work with heavy duty gluing applications, California Proposition 65. You know, everything provides cancer to people in California. As a buddy of mine on YouTube said, Bruce L. I'll put a card up here for him. Works with all-purpose and high-strength adhesives. So you can even probably use glitter sticks in it if you wanted to, if you're doing, like, you know, design projects or crafting. But you know, that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick little video, some little weights and measurements, some information. It's not really heavy, not a big, huge item. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do have an Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description below. It'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off the next time I order from them. If you do use it, I do appreciate it. I do like the angle of how they have it set up. The handle does feel nice. You get nice firm grip on it. Other thing is that one last thing before we go, I want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, the people that are subscribed, not subscribed, the people that dislike, you know, people that use the affiliate links, the people that watch the channel in general, even the people that watch the ads every once in a while that's on the channel. It's because of you guys that the channel is monetized. I'm just getting into Ryobi tools, so, you know, I don't know if I'm going to be buying into a lot of Ryobi tools. I bought into them for the specific stuff like this, you know, the oddball items that nobody else has, like Milwaukee doesn't have anything like that, or DeWalt. But I'm going to be picking up some Sheetmaster jaw horses for personal use, as well as I'm going to be using them on the channel. I'm going to be starting to pick up wood with money from the channel so we can start doing head-to-heads. I don't know if I'm going to be buying into the 40-volt line. Who knows? Maybe I will. If you guys have, you know, Ryobi tools that, you know, you upgraded to a newer hammer drill and you have an older one and you would like me to do a head-to-head with that tool, you're more than welcome to send it to me to do you know, head-to-head testing on. You guys can contact me in the comments below, or you know, on my YouTube. I do have my email associated with my YouTube. If you guys want to contact me about that, you know, that would be awesome. If you guys can help with tools for me to test, that'd be amazing. I don't believe that I'm going to be picking up any hammer drills or impact drivers or anything like that, because I have plenty of them. But if you guys want to supply one for me to use, and then I send it back to you guys when I'm done with it, you know, that works. That would be amazing. Whatever you guys can do to help is always amazing. Whether you guys watch, or you comment, or you guys send me a tool to use, I appreciate it all. And last thing is these are the tool lines that I have available that I can provide videos on. Some of the Ryobi 18-volt stuff now. I have, for the head-to-heads that I want to do, I have Milwaukee M12 and M18. Fuel and brushed. I have Metabo HPT, Hitachi Power Tools version, 18-volt, 36-volt multi-volt. I have DeWalt 8-volt, 12-volt Extreme, 20-volt XR, 60-volt flex volt, 120-volt flex volt. I do also have Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2, as well as I'm going to be bringing, for demonstrations and demo purposes, we're going to be head-to-heading. I'm also going to be bringing the Makita 40 volt and 80 volt tools to the channel as well. I have Metabo 18 volt. I have Bosch 18 volt core. I have what else? I have 12 volt and 20 volt Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight. I've got Bosch Tix 18 volt. I also have a bunch of corded tools. I have Porter Cable corded tools. I have Makita corded. I have Bosch corded, Black & Decker corded, and a few others. Probably a couple Stanley tools that are corded as well. Most of the corded tools are out in the barn. I'm just kind of going off of what I have off the top of my head. I also have I think that's it at the moment. If any of those things interest you guys, smush the bell notification icon for, you know, future videos on the head-to-heads and stuff like that. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!